Okay, let's go downstairs. We did the bedrooms. So as a recap, we have a back den off the kitchen dining with a foyer and the front living room. Both have fireplaces and either an office or a formal dining area, whatever you could do with it. And 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. Now going downstairs. The tread is easy. Easy tread. Nice and wide. To a tile foyer in the basement. It's easy tread. Just needs a handrail. The first room on the left appears to be a bathroom with another shower. All tile. Stand up. Very nice. And a closet. Woo! Big, big, big. And another door. Looks like extra food storage. They have this door blocked off, so I'll have to find another way around it. There's your heat and air in here.